uZakes Madida owaziwa ngelikaZakes kwezomculo uthi le ndondo isho likhulu kuyena ngoba izokhuthaza intsha yasemakhaya nasemalokishini ukuthi amaphupho ayo nawo angafezeka uma izimisela.
This Grammy marks as a start. This Grammy ikhuluma nentwana yaselokishini. This Grammy ikhuluma nomjida oselahla ithemba. It's if you thought that dreaming was a waste of time. Look at Zakes Bantwini, dreaming is never a waste of time.
Nomcebo Zikode yena uthi le ndondo ibufakazi bomsebenzi wakhe yonke leminyaka ezama ukuphumelela kule mboni yezomculo engekho lula neze.
Look at God. This is where we are today. I'm incredibly happy and proud to play a part in inspiring young South African women from all races and cultures in our beautiful country. And I want to say to a young woman in a small township thinking you can't do it, that it is possible.
Wouter Killemann uthi isifiso sakhe ukuthi umculo wakuleli uthole ukuhlonishwa nokwesekwa okufanayo njengoba kwenzeka emazweni angaphandle.
South Africa's got such incredible richness in our music and in our culture, and I took it for granted when I was growing up, and only when I started traveling did I actually realize that this is not the case everywhere else in the world and how special it is. And since then it's been my mission to export South African music and culture to the world.
Phakathi kwabantu abamukele lezi intandokazi khona nonqonqoshe wezamaciko osekhuthaze lezi hlabane ukuba ziqhubeke nokuphakamisa ifulegi laseNingizimu Afrika.
This is your first Grammy Award. It's the first. So we expect more.